next song, the brand new song we've been working on. We're playing Nietzsche's for the Exile on Elm Street. Rolling Stones band play Rolling Stones songs all night long. We're gonna do two. It's an old Howlin' Wolf tune called Little Red Rooster. Y'all ready? You want to bring the rooster out? Yeah, he won't bring the rooster out. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. I am the little red rooster. Too late to crow for days. Oh yeah, Howlin' Wolf, come on. I am the little red rooster. Two legs and a crow for days. Keep everything in the barnyard upset in every way. Dogs begin to bark, and the hounds begin to howl. Yeah, howl that up, hey, come on. Dogs begin to bark, and the hounds begin to howl. No, not today. Watch out, strange cat people. Little red roosters on the prowl. Prowl around for me a little bit. Hey, come on. Y'all don't mind if you prowl, dude. Oh yeah, get down, brother, get down. My little red rooster, please drive him home. Come on, help me out. You see it. If you see my little red rooster, mama, please drive him home. Oh yeah. No peace in the farmyard. It's my little red rooster band on. just working on that brand new.